What's going on, y'all? Buttery Workshop back with another episode, and today we're at Burlington. It used to be Burlington Coat Factory, but now it's just Burlington, and we are going to find some gems. Everybody likes fly stuff. We all love clothing. If you're on this page, you like clothing, you like fly stuff, so we're gonna find some fly stuff for the low. And this is one of these spots where you can find some hidden gems on the low if you look hard enough. So let's go find them. You save a couple bucks, but we're looking for better deals than that. We need better deals. This is hard. So this Levi's denim jacket, quality clothing, Levi's premium. I've never seen this style where this sort of blanket material that you could find on some of the lined jackets is actually on the outside. Raw edge on the bottom. This is alright. This is alright. This is cool. Sort of vintage inspired Georgetown Hoyas tee, tie-dye. But the highlight, come on. That's a steal. Nice simple Vans camo button up. 20 bucks.
Wow.
This is fire. Well, gradient New Balance runner, reflective logo, like that. 25 bucks, not bad. Just a basic Adidas tee. I like these little caricatures they have on there though. 10 bucks, can't go wrong. This is hard. Nike running top. You can see it's like a groovy camo stitching almost. 80 bucks originally, down to 20. All right, now this isn't a hidden gem, but LRG, man. Do you remember when LRG was popping? R.I.P. Jonas, man. Legendary brand. Speaking of brands that used to hold so much weight, Crooks and Castles, man. What a time. All right, not gonna lie, it's a little dry in here right now. I do have a theory that Thursdays are when they restock at this particular location, but we're on the clearance rack. And we've already got some Polo here. Let's see the original price. $295, marked down to $180 wherever it was originally. Now they had it here at $120. Now it's down to $90. This is a nice simple piece with a little embroidered visor on the hood. See? All right, we're warming up a little bit. Let's see what else we can find now. Okay. Now, this is a piece that I found a few times, and I keep waiting for that ticket to get a little bit lower before I really jump on it. But this Nike running windbreaker, it's so light. Like, I don't know if you could see through it. It's kind of like the Nike Mayfly. I'll put a picture of the Nike Mayflies in here right now, but it's got this like see-through mesh. What's the original price on that? 200 bucks. It's got a hood, a little zippered pocket on the back, which I think is just makes this so much better. And let's see what the price is right now. This is the drum roll. It's still not done. I want it for like 30. 54 though. Just gonna have to wait for that price to go down a little bit more, man. Actually, drop a comment down below. If enough of y'all are like, yeah, that's fire, you need it, I'm gonna come back and cop it. But let's keep it moving. Oh, that's. Woohoo! I feel like I have to do it. I have to. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of hard. I don't know if I need it, but it is fire. Especially with the kicks I'm wearing, you already know. Mountain Fly Lows, baby, 24/7. Let's go. So, I've been coming to this location for a while now, and they never have kicks. But that has started to change in the last few weeks, so let's take a look at the sneakers that they have available and see what we can find. Little LeBrons. These ones are pretty cool. 33 bucks. Ooh. Well, waffle runners. It's not too bad. 40 bucks. Yeah. Ooh, almost missed these. Yeah, come grab some Vans, man. These. A little indigo vibe. These are crazy. Y'all rocking those? Let me know. Dang, these are my size too. I feel like I have to do it for the content. They're kind of comfortable. They're kind of comfortable. Not foamy like Crocs. They're more rubbery. But if those are made out of the Crocs material, it might be aight. They just might be aight. Lucas Puig, Adidas skateboarding. A little dusty, but 35 bucks. Oh, these are kind of. Ooh, if they had these in my size, I might could rock with them. But I'm saying, oh, some more Nike SBs. Come on, Ishad's signature model, his pro model. Yeah, these are hard. See, I'm telling you, they used to be nothing. You'd walk down these shoe aisles, these sneaker aisles, and just like I gave up on coming down them after a while, but. It's heating up. It's heating up, I'm not gonna lie. Let's keep on looking though. This is just a classic Nike style here. That waffle, Beaverton, Oregon. Like this is, in a very simplistic way, where it all started. Just love these. Yeah, if you mess with Vans, bro, you gotta stop by your local Burlington. Yeah, okay. Let's see, we missing anything? Got some New Balance skate sneakers as well. New Balance numeric. Damn, bro, get your goddamn baby, man. Some Feezies. Yee. Got some more New Balance numerics down here. I did see some Dame dollars, some ball kicks. But no trip to Burlington is complete without finding a pair of sneakers in a ridiculously large size. Ridiculous. Size 18. I could probably fit my whole... No. Size 18 LeBrons. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we still cooking, y'all. We still cooking. Vince Carter, Hardwood Classics, Mitchell & Ness. Not stitched. It looks stitched, but it is not stitched. Double XL. This has always been one of my favorite jerseys from this era. And it could be yours for $29.99. What's the original price? $130. It's good savings. All right, for the most part, we've been sticking with the brands that we know, but it's also cool to see, sort of aligned with finding those size 18 LeBrons. What's the most outlandish, ridiculous piece you can find at Burlington? And this one, oh. Ooh. This is gas. Crazy. just look like money. Now, if they have this in my size, I might have to do it, man. I might have to do it. That silky smooth touch, y'all ain't lying. Whew. Heat. This is another tip when you're at Burlington. Explore all of the sections, because this is the big and tall section. And while this is a bigger size, it is definitely not big and tall. And I found this Borussia Dortmund kit. BBB. 20 bucks. Now before we wrap up, let's check out the ladies section, see if I can find anything from my wife. And I already found something that's just US Olympic team Nike zip up Therma Fit, nice patches. This is just, look at that, original price $175. In here $450. Can't win them all. This is my size. Automatic. Ladies sneakers, maybe at least 20% recycled content. You can see that recycled rubber on the sole. 40 bucks. Right below, some more of these classic Nike trainers. These are tight. This might be my favorite colorway of these that we came across all day. And let's see, what size are these? Are these women's? 44.5. Let me try it on. There have been times where you find a larger pair of sneakers in the women's section and they're actually men's. But is there really a gender on sneakers? I don't know. Let's see what it's hitting for though. Those are definitely a 12 lady sizes, but if I really wanted to, it could work. Stan Smiths are pretty cool. Well, embroidered leaf. Like this colorway a lot. I actually have a custom pair of Nikes that have very similar colorway. Make a video on those another day. So decided to take one more stroll through all the sections I normally frequent, where I'm not really going through the racks. I'm just sort of using my eyes, see if I miss anything. Realize I missed these Stan Smiths. What's the price on these anyways? 30 bucks. Not too bad. Me personally, I do like the Stan Smiths that have the flat tongue. It's like just a single flap of leather rather than this sort of padded or semi-padded tongue. But that's just me. But I do think that that is it for this video. Let me know what you saw, what you liked, what you would have caught, what you wouldn't have caught. If you see anything in the video in the background that I glanced over that I should have picked up or should have been more interested in, let me know. Drop a comment down below. And also let me know if you like this style of video, because I can make more, I can go to more places, and I could try to find more gems. But let me know. That's it for now. See you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.